Hello. It has been 4 months, 4 to 5 months, since I posted on YouTube, and I apologize just to start off. I don't know what was going on. I just needed to take a break because I feel like I needed to film videos, but I really didn't. I want to thank you guys so much for like around 850 subscribers by the time I am recording this. You guys were awesome! In today's video, we're doing something exciting because it's another one of my vlogging videos. Obviously, it's gonna be a travel video, and if you remember, my very first video was packing up for New York, and this time I'm going to pack up for Sacramento. I don't know what I'm packing yet. I leave tomorrow. It is currently Sunday, 3:03 p.m., and I leave tomorrow at 8 a.m. Obviously, I have a lot of time, but I procrastinate a lot, so let's get on with this video while I also tell you guys some life updates. So here is my package. Also, don't mind my hair. I took a nap before this video. This has been with me since the beginning of this channel. I need to check out what the weather is for each of the days so that I know what to wear because I can't really freeball it. And yeah, so let's go ahead and search up what the weather is going to be. Also, we're going to be going to different places like San Francisco, Lake Tahoe, I think. And so I need to figure out the weather. Okay, so I looked at the weather. One out of the 5 days that I'm going to be there is going to be cold. So on the cold day, I'm going to San Francisco, and I plan to wear this Aeropostale one because on cold days, I like to wear dark clothes because like the sun absorbs the heat. No, dark colors absorb the sun more. So if there's a glimpse of sun rays, it could keep me warm. I don't know, little life hack, I guess. That's for the cold days. And then the ones that are hot, I plan to wear lighter shirts. And then for my pants, they're Levi's. These don't know where they're from, but I really like the hibiscus flowers that are on the bottom. It's one of my favorite jeans because they're low rise and they actually fit me really well. I also want to wear these shorts because it's going to be hot outside and I want to be breathable while I wear these clothes. Let's go ahead and look for outfit inspo with these statement pieces so we can see if I can make them look better instead of being a basic person. But if not, I'll just be basic. It's okay. Okay, so we're gonna start packing. I have these packing cubes. I'm gonna put my pants in here first. So ever since I stopped recording YouTube videos, I've just been focusing on school because I was focusing more on YouTube more than academics. And obviously, that's not gonna work. So I just decided to take a break and I haven't been posting frequently. And so then I just said, why not just stop posting? I apologize in advance, but I have gotten to go on some trips. Oh, yes, I'm a sophomore now, so maybe I will record me getting my school ID taken. By the way, I come home from another trip. I might record that. Shh. I'm coming home from another trip, and literally the next day, I am going to school, and I start sophomore year. And I hopefully will record my first day of sophomore year because I remember my freshman one got viral for some reason. I don't know what was going on. I think it's just like school is starting, people get hyped up. I think this video has 30,000. Okay, then I'm gonna put my shirts on this side. This is one shirt. A month ago of this video, I went to a cruise and I did not record it, unfortunately, but I might make a video just like compiling all of my little videos from my Snapchat and from my camera roll into one whole big video. Let me know if you guys want that because I don't know. It's just gonna be a bunch of videos, pictures with music in the background and stuff. Hopefully I get back into the grind of YouTube, but I feel like I will still post bi-weekly on YouTube. I think posting weekly was stressful for me because I needed to find out what videos to make. I also need to pack swimsuits. Okay, Chad, I packed my swimsuits and socks. You will have to see it in the next video. Or maybe in this video. Let's go pack my toiletries. Okay, welcome to the bathroom. It's ASMR, guys. My parents is sleeping. I'm going to be packing toiletries. This is what I'm going to be packing. Or essentially filling up. So let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and pack my toiletry bag. This is my skincare. I had to be quiet in the room because my mom was sleeping. So we're gonna go ahead and pack. Being Frenchie, this was very like popular like a couple years ago. I still love it. I like this one. This one is the Solar Fleur. And I also have the Cashmere Vanilla one. I think I'm gonna bring Solar Fleur for this trip though. If it's resting on my desk, I like it to be slightly open because like sometimes like the dried up perfume thing gets stuck on the bottle. It's hard to get off. But for this case, I'm gonna secure it. And then we're gonna do hair ties. I have this one in case I wanna do some hairstyles. Probably not, but like let's just do it. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and pack shampoo and conditioner. Or I found this from my Europe trip and I still have extra. So I'm just gonna put these into here so that I don't need to take it from my shampoo that I have already. Okay guys, I'm on the last one. It didn't even look that full. It's like, oh, it's up to here. I mean, that's actually kind of good. I think that's gonna survive me like 2 wash days. Hey guys. Yeah, so after I finished refilling that shampoo thing, I went to bed and I took a nap for an hour. And since I'm basically the only one in my house, I'm gonna shower so that I can actually speak in the bathroom because I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna take an everything shower. Look at this hair, bro. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna just like quick little tame up in here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Oh, I still need to pack more toiletries. I need to pack my like backpack. I need to pack some pajamas. I'm gonna pack two. Welcome to the bathroom. You probably have seen this be okay. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm tweaking. Okay. I'm gonna do a transition. Hey guys, this is me after my everything shower. You may not see it, but I feel it. My skin is very dry. We're gonna go ahead and do my skincare so that it is nice and hydrated. Okay guys, now we are mostly done with packing. Just the rest of the things I need to pack is tomorrow, like shoes, my toothbrush, my retainer. I'm wearing it right now. Did you know I like bedazzled? I gave myself tooth gems. I don't know if I have a video of it, but that I put gems on my retainers. So now all there is to do is to pack my PJs. And so I'm going to be packing 2 pairs. So let's look through my closet to see what we are going to be bringing. It is this Winnie the Pooh shirt with these navy blue polka dots. And this Twilight shirt, guys, comment down below what team you guys are on. These, what is it called? Gingham? Pink, black pink pants. And then here is my backpack. I'm going to be packing my like computer and my chargers and all that stuff. I don't know if I should bring my iPad. I decided I'm not gonna bring my iPad, but I still need to like sit on this to close it, and I also need to pack this. It has a lot of empty space in it, but it's okay because it'll get squished when the clothes squish it or whatever. So now it's time to do lash clusters. Okay guys, you have officially entered my lash tutorial. So, oh my gosh. These are the lash clusters I use. A brand new tray. This, I remember first using this on my Thanksgiving break. You can go ahead and watch that. And there we go. Okay, we're gonna do a transition. I'm gonna do this same thing with this eye. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is how the lashes look. I think I should bring all of the supplies I'm using to my trip. And also the remover. I need to clean these. And that is it with my lashes. And that is also it for my YouTube video. If you enjoy this YouTube video, make sure you go ahead and give this a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. I in the beginning, I know I said I was gonna do life updates, but I don't know if I said a lot in this video. Maybe I'll do like a separate video on that. I apologize. Yeah, that is me prepping for my Sacramento trip. I think I will post a video of me day-to-day hosting my trip because we're gonna go on lots of big adventures and the UV is high, so I'm probably gonna get tan. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.